In a world flooded with websites, only a few truly stand out. Here are 5 incredibly useful websites you should know right now. Let's go. Ever downloaded a file and weren't sure if it was safe? That's where virustotal comes in. Just upload any file or paste a link, and it scans it using dozens of antivirus engines, instantly tease a fast, free, and powerful way to check for hidden threats without installing anything on your computer. Perfect for checking suspicious downloads, unknown links, or even files shared via email. It uses a combination of over 70 antivirus scanners, URL, domain reputation services, behavioral analysis tools. Think of it as your personal online security scanner, always ready. The internet is a dangerous place, and data leaks happen more often than you'd think. Haveibeenpwned is a simple but powerful website that lets you check if your email has ever been part of a data breach. Just enter your email, and within seconds, you'll know if your data is floating around on the dark web. It's a wake-up call, and a tool every internet user should try at least once. It's a free online service that helps you check whether your email address, phone number, or password has been exposed in known data breaches. You can also sign up for alerts if your email shows up in future leaks. Ninite is a free, time-saving tool used to automate the installation and updating of popular Windows applications. Silent, unattended installation, no pop-ups, no license agreements to click through. Ideal for setting up new PCs or reinstalling software quickly. Ninite automatically rejects toolbars, adware, and other bundled software. It installs the standard version with default settings, silently and safely. Select the apps you want, like Chrome, Zoom, VLC, Spotify, and more, then download your custom installer. Run it, and Ninite will install everything silently in the background. It's also great for keeping software updated in one go. Absolute time saver. Photopea is a free, web-based image editor that offers many of the same features as Adobe Photoshop, without requiring any installation. Works entirely in your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. No need to download or install anything. Ideal for quick edits on any computer. Great for people familiar with Photoshop who want a free alternative. Perfect for AI image generation, quick edits, school projects, social media posts, or even professional work, no download needed. Very similar to Adobe Photoshop in layout and tools. Also supports JPEG, PNG, SVG, PDF, RAW, XD, Sketch, and many more. Suitable for professional level editing. And if you're new to photo editing, Photopea owns built-in tutorials and online guides will walk you through everything. And finally, let's talk about saving money and reducing waste. ifixit is a website and community dedicated to helping people repair their own devices, from smartphones and laptops to appliances, game consoles, and cars. With thousands of free step-by-step guides and community-contributed instructions, ifixit empowers you to fix things yourself, instead of throwing them away. Originally focused on Apple repair manuals but has since grown into the world's largest online repair platform. Helps you replace batteries, display screens, hard drives, buttons, and many more. ifixit is known for its device teardowns, where they carefully disassemble new gadgets, like iPhones or PlayStations, to show what's inside. Score how repairable the device is, repairability score, help users understand how to fix or upgrade it. ifixit performs detailed teardowns of new electronics, often on launch day, showing internal components, build quality and many more. Each guide includes detailed steps with photos, tools required, time estimates and difficulty ratings. They assign a repairability score, 1 to 10, which rates how easy a device is to repair. A higher score equals more repairable. ifixit also sells high-quality tools and replacement parts tailored to electronics repair. Screwdriver kits, suction handles, for screen removal, magnetic mats, anti-static wrist straps, soldering tools and many more. These websites aren't just cool, they're incredibly useful. Bookmark them and use them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.